Hello there, welcome back to a new video. I'm your boy Mr. Talented Reed, and today's video I just want to show you guys what's going on with this truck right here. So in this truck I noticed the blower motor is keep running even though it's switched off. But when I switch, I'm going to show you, switch the camera and show you what's going on. Alright, this wire right here, this is the reason why it's keep running. The wire burned, the connection broke up in there. So if I squeeze it like this chip out. It's supposed to work, so I'm going to fix this part right here, change the connection, or just plug it in. I don't think I'm gonna get this type of plug, this ends right here, so I might have to plug it out and clean it up and plug it in separately. So this is what's going on the blower motor right behind this black piece right here. There's the fuse box right here that control the lights and other electrical things in the truck. Alright, this one, what it do, I don't know if you guys can hear it blowing. Alright, so it's on the high speed. Okay, and you can see it's still running right now because of this switch right here that giving trouble. So I'm going to plug it off and clean it up, because when I play with it, it chip in and chip out. So I'm going to fix it and let you guys know the result. So stay tuned for the next part of the video. Alright, so this is the switch right here. As you can see in this connection, you can see it's have a burn right here in the root of it, black. So I'm going to pull it and clean it up and see what's going on. So this controls the speed of the motor. To put it on high and low, medium, whatever. So this is the thing that control it. So what it's doing now is keep running even though the key off. So I'm going to clean it up and plug it in back and see what's going on with it. Alright, so now I open the switch and this is it right here. You can see this connection really burn and black, so I'm going to clean it off and get another view of it. So stay tuned. Alright, so now I have a piece of sandpaper, fine grade. I'm going to use this piece of sandpaper to clean this connection right here, these contacts, to clean it. And the switch, you have to be careful because you have two little springs in there. You can drop and loss. Have to be careful with it. So I'm going to clean this contact now, because I'm the only person right here recording now, so I have to keep pausing the video and do it. So I'm going to clean it now and show you what it looks like after. Alright, so this is what it looks like after I clean it. It's super clean now. So I'm going to fit it up right now and check it and see what's going on. So I'm going to pause the video again and fit it up back and show you guys how it's work. Alright, so this is the contact right here. So I'm going to show you guys how it's set in case you make a mistake pulling it up. Yo.
Swear.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so now I fit it up back and it's okay now. So I'm going to screw it back in the housing right here, the holder, and fit it up back. So it's working. It's supposed to work now. It's not running anymore. No sound. So it's okay now. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching.